let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. And going back to 2021, we have a 3 down in your A, 3 up in your B, and then a 5-way move to the downside going into 2023 with the wave 5 of C perfectly tapping the 1.786 extension, and then we go ahead and then start our bull run from there, going from 2022. Okay, and then we have over 150 days of reaccumulation. Then we go up for our third wave, going up to March 2024, where we put in a local top, and then we consolidate for a little bit over half a year. We consolidate in a bullish descending broadening wedge in the form of a WXY correction. And then if we scale down to the hourly time frame, we see that after we hit the 61.8% fib, remember we hit the 618 here. So if we take a fib from our January low up to our March high, we have come down to the 618. We saw a rapid incline to the upside in A, B, C down towards the 786, and now we're seeing that grind up with a double tap of the 50-week SMA. Okay, now what bulls would want to see here going forward is a push above the 70.2 to 78.6% fib sitting at 61.318 and 62.358 to confirm that this in fact is our bottom. Now, if we get above 62.358 on a closing basis on the daily time frame, then there's no doubt that we have bottomed, because once you get over this level, there isn't really much resistance after that. That would be a lot of FOMO would kick in if we ended up doing that. And yeah, so all eyes on 62.358. We're having a very nice day today in regards to the price action. I would be expecting a wave 3 to come to around 82 to 86,000, come down for a 23.6% retrace before going in for that wave 5 extension, or going in for that wave 5 at around 96 to 111,000. Now we would have to alter these waves as the price develops, right? But we'll be doing that in the Discord. So if you haven't joined the Discord, then definitely click the link in the description below so you guys can stay updated right down to the small time frame. And there is a possibility we have an extension all the way up to 120,000. But so far, what the fibs are showing us is that 100K is likely if this is a 5-wave move. Okay, now going down to the daily time frame, or going up to the daily time frame, we do see that, like I've been saying for 6 months, we are missing a 5th wave up, right? And it looks like that 5th wave is starting now. And it's usually the 5th waves that are the most parabolic, because it marks the end of the run up. Okay, when you take a look at a parabola, the 5th wave is always the most explosive. We're nearing the 61.8% fib at 62.79, and I don't think we should be too far away from breaching 62.358. Maybe today or tomorrow we should do that. But we'll definitely see how the price action plays out, and I will be updating you guys in the Discord. So yeah, everything is looking good over here. Let's take a look here at the MACD. Let's see what we see on the indicator. And some positive signs here, right? Slight bullish divergence over here. We have a lower low on the price, but a higher low on the MACD, and we see that low being sustained over here. Okay, now let's take a look here at the momentum indicator on 4 hour. We may not see anything too significant because this does tend to lag, but it is looking good so far, right? We have a 5 up from our 0.618, a 335 Elliott wave flat pattern in the form. We have a 335 Elliott wave flat pattern in the form of a wave 2, right? 3 down in your A, 3 up in your B, and then a 5 down within your C wave coming towards the 78.6% fib. Okay, you see how we perfectly hit the 786 here, and then we're just seeing that grind up. We not only hit the 786, but we double tapped the 50-week SMA. Okay, so very, very significant moves here. Remember, like I say in all my previous videos, when in crypto or highly over-leveraged markets, let's say you have your top, right? You come down, make a low, and the retrace is where everyone gets scared and they short it with the anticipation of a move down below this low. But what it does instead is it comes down towards the 786, right? So it would come down towards the 786. I'll show you guys what I mean, right? Comes down over here, right? So this whole move over here is your wall of worry. This is your diversion. And in the diversion part, you have max bearish sentiment over here, especially when you hit the 786. I noticed that in the markets. When the lower the fib retracement you come to, whether it's the 786 or the 886, max fear sets in. What happens when max fear sets in? You see that grind up, right? It's just the way liquidity works in the market. So we could be witnessing that grind up. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for the rest of the day going into next week, because it looks like we are turning bullish. When we take a look here at the RTY, E-mini Russell 2000 futures, we perfectly called the bottom here a couple of days ago, or 3 or 4 days ago, in which the C wave wicked down towards the 70.2% fib. We're currently up a little bit over 5% from that low, about 6.13%, and we have a potential bullish dragon pattern over here on our hands. Now I do expect $2,700 to get hit on the Russell, but I will get into that in another video. Okay, Russell is looking good. All the indexes are up. I don't think the US stock market has topped yet. I think that we are still, I think we still have more upside. I think that going into elections, there's going to be a really nice rally. And yeah, this is technically the top here on the SPX, but I don't think that'll be the last all-time high. I think we're going to make a new all-time high here. Now, I did release a video on the US stock market. Just go down through my YouTube, you'll be able to see it. And if you guys want to stay updated with all that, then definitely click the link in the description below. We can go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ 100. And the NASDAQ 100 is looking good. Looks like we're coming up for that C wave. Very nice rebound off the 61.8% fib. Let's go back to Bitcoin over here. And, Bitcoin and the crypto market was actually saved by the stock market. So it's very, very nice to see that the US market is rallying, because that'll be able to support the crypto markets, especially in regards to our alts, right? When we take a look at the Russell, it's breaking out here off the 70.2% fib, and that's something that our alts need. Okay, because remember, crypto will not move without the US stock market. Okay, so this is Bitcoin over here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We also have a diamond bottom pattern, right? So usually diamond tops, they form from the get-go. But since we had a downtrend here, and then we formed the diamond top or the diamond bottom. So I'll show you what I mean. Right? You have a creep into the diamond from the left-hand side, a move towards the apex, and then a rapid decline down to the bottom, a grind up to the right side, a push back down, and now we're seeing it rally back up to trendline resistance. So it's very likely this is a diamond bottom pattern, and we would be having a technical target sitting at around 86,000, 84 to 86,000. So it's looking good right now. Market is looking good. Everything is up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will definitely keep you guys updated. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.